Hey everyone, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing well, having a great weekend when you're watching this. I am so excited to bring you guys this video. You have no idea. If you have been following my relaxed hair content here on my channel or any of my hair content here on my channel, you guys know that my hairstylist was supposed to be moving to Florida, and I was super depressed about it because she's been doing my hair for years and years and years, literally since I was in elementary school. I am 26 now, so the thought of having to find a new hairstylist terrifies me. So I ended up texting her, checking in, seeing what's good, and she was available to relax and dye my hair, and I have never been so overjoyed in my life from a text message. I could have cried, honestly, because if you have a hairstylist that you just know you can go in, get your hair done, your hair is going to come out bomb AF. You don't have to worry. They know what you like. They know what you want. And you don't have to worry about anything. Then you know what I'm talking about. The thought, especially with my finicky hair, the thought of having to go to a new stylist is honestly terrifying. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you guys. It's terrifying. But I went ahead, finally got a relaxer, got my hair dyed a gorgeous shade of black, which makes me so happy. But yeah, guys, I am 26 years old. I relaxed my hair. I'm African American. I don't texlax or anything like that. So if you want to hear my relaxer update, let's go ahead and get right into this video. Okay, so getting started, let me go ahead and see when my last relaxer update was. I always forget to do this before the video, you guys. Now it's just a habit. But let me see. So my last relaxer update was on, why doesn't it tell me? What the hell? Oh my god, it never tells me. Okay, so let me go to YouTube. I believe it was 3 or 4 months ago, which I honestly lost track of my stretch after a while because, yeah, it was 3 months ago. My last relaxer update I uploaded on November 15th. Oh my god. So it's been November, December, January, February, and a little bit of March. So it's been 3 months. 3 months and some change, which is, I don't think that's my longest stretch, but it's my longest stretch in a very, very long time, which stresses me out. But I did what I had to do. So if you guys are new here, I do relax my hair. I usually go about, I want to say 16 to 18 weeks between my relaxers. I usually relax 3 times a year, I want to say, or so. So my next one probably won't be until June, July area. But I've been relaxing my hair for years. My hairstylist uses a firm relaxer. She uses 2 containers because my hair is super duper thick. I've said this in every relaxer update. My hair is super thick. When it comes in, my roots are tight. I personally relax my hair because my hair gets super, super dry if I don't relax it. Even dealing with the 2 textures of my hair when I was stretching my most recent stretch, my hair was just super dry. I ended up just putting in braids, and you guys will see, or you've already seen, it depends on what the timeline of this video is, that I was starting to wear wigs just because I couldn't do my hair really because I had 2 separate textures, honestly, and it was just completely not able to be styled really. So I was just wearing wigs for the time period. I was planning on braiding my hair, doing cornrow braids with extensions before I texted my hairstylist to see if she was available. So that was the vibe that I was on and going for before I got my relaxer. But I do use the Affirm relaxer. My hairstylist parts my hair into 3 sections, so a front, a middle, and then the bottom section. She starts from the bottom, works her way up to the top, she smooths it, does the whole 9, and then she washes it out, uses the neutralizing shampoo, and does the whole thing. I don't know what shampoo she uses, honestly, because my head is in the sink, obviously, so I don't see what she's pumping out. But I'm pretty sure it's like Nexus products. I'm pretty sure it's the Nexus Humectress line, because it smells like that, because I have that at home. And what else? She does a deep conditioner. Usually she does the silicone mix that I did a video on, that I showed you guys, that I really, really love. I think I did a video on it. Maybe I didn't. But I really love the silicone mix. It's a Dominican deep conditioner. Excuse me, I really, really love that. And then she goes in and dyes my hair. My hair is not naturally black. My hair is naturally like a light brown with blonde highlights. My hair highlights super easily, naturally. I personally like my hair black because it makes me feel like a little bit more dimensional. I say this in every relaxer update, but with my brown hair, I feel like a mozzarella stick because I'm just like one tone. And I feel like when I have my brown hair, it just like makes everything look very, very one-dimensional. So I love my hair black. I don't think I'm ever going to go another color, honestly. I was thinking about maybe like one day going like a chocolate brown, like even like darker than this, like a deep, dark brown instead of black. But honestly, I don't think so. I just am so myself with black hair, and I just feel so me with black hair personally. I just do straight jet black. I don't do like a blue black or anything like that. Just straight jet black. She puts that in. I did sit with the color in for a little bit longer because I did go ahead and go to the salon with my mom, and she was getting her hair done. So I was sitting waiting for my hair to process while my mom was getting her relaxer done. So my hair stayed a little bit longer, but honestly, the blacker the better, girl, because I love my black hair. Honestly, it's my favorite thing ever. So yeah, she put the color in, washed it out, did the whole jam. I went she rolled my hair, she set my hair with Rolos, and then I went under the dryer for about like 45 minutes, an hour. And then she blowed out my hair. She does the Dominican blow because that is what gets my hair the straightest, and I love it. She also went ahead and did straighten my hair as well. And now we're here. So I actually got it done yesterday when I'm filming this. Today is Saturday. I got it done yesterday, so it's not like super fresh, but I did go ahead and wrap it up last night and just did that. So that's really the whole process. It doesn't really change, you guys, when I get my hair done. She knows what to do, knows how to do my hair, and I just love her so much. Zula, if you're watching, I love you so much. She's practically family at this point. So I just wanted to show you guys my hair. I shouldn't have worn black, so I'm sorry I'm not wearing a bra, but this top just looks better without a bra. So this is what we're working with. This is from the front. You guys can see like a little bit of the color still on my hair. Oh my god, my brush just did a flip. So this is what we're looking like from the front. I'll show you guys from the side like this, so you guys can see like what we're dealing with, and then I'll turn to the back to show you guys. So I definitely have some length, which I am so happy about, and it's just, my hair is growing so well. I am loving the way that it is looking. It's so full, healthy. My ends feel really good. She didn't go ahead and cut my ends. Oh, let me show you guys this time. She didn't cut my ends this time because I did give myself like a self trim the last time I washed my hair, just because I didn't think that I was going to see her. So yeah, this is what we're looking like. When I pull my hair forward and split it in the back, I'll show you guys the length that we're working with. So my hair is like bumped at the end, but if I pull it straight, it hits about here. So I think I'm at about armpit length. I'm not like stretching out my neck or anything like that. I'm just like relaxed. So I'm about armpit length. I'm definitely farther than collarbone because my collarbone hits right here and my hair hits way longer than my collarbone. But yeah, I love the way my hair is feeling. It looks super thick, as you guys can see. It's like just so healthy and so strong. Like I could literally like place it where I want to. Like, it just looks so good. I'm just so happy with it. I'm planning on wearing my hair in as many protective styles as I can. Like I said, you guys, I do have the wigs and everything, and those aren't going to stop because, you know, just because I got my hair out, I'm trying to protect it and keep it as healthy as possible. So you guys will be seeing more wig reviews here on my channel, which I'm so excited about. One coming soon, or it was uploaded before this. I'm not sure the order, like I said. But I think that's really it for this video. I don't really have anything else to say. It was a pretty simple relaxer. She did have to bring it down a little bit farther because I had so much new growth. And my hair was just, you know, ready for a relaxer, girl, or relaxer. There's nothing like it. But yeah, I think my hair goals for this next stretch are going to be to get my hair, of course, longer, health over length, but you can see this side, like, it's pretty long, girl. Like, here's my armpit, and then here's my hair. So I'm definitely about armpit length. My goal is to, you know, wear as many protective styles as I can, including the wigs. I really want to get the headband wigs because I feel like those are so versatile. Like, you can switch out your look really, really easily. So I'm definitely on the hunt for a really good headband wig. If you guys have any recommendations of like websites to find some. And yeah, I really want to wear protective styles, wash and deep condition my hair as much as possible. I want to get back into co-washing because if you guys don't know, I have been working out like 5 days a week now. So my hair is getting a little bit more dirty than it was when I wasn't working out. So by midweek, I can definitely do a co-wash type of thing for sure. So I want to wear protective styles, grow my hair as much as I can, and also start co-washing midweek again. So I will have a video of my co-wash routine once I get into more of a routine post-relaxer. So I think that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this relaxer update. Thumbs up if you like them. I know you guys really do. And yeah, I think that's all I had to say. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me. I hope you all are doing great. Leave any comments down below. Like I said, leave me recommendations for headband wigs, any type of wigs that you guys really like. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you, girls.